How to check views on Facebook featured photo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your name at the top. After you click on your name, scroll down and you'll find your featured photos beside plus sign, which is also below see your about info. Click on your collection, that is the featured photo. After you click on it, you'll find viewers option at the bottom left. Click on viewers option. I have no viewers yet, so there's 0 viewers. You can also see who reacted on this specific photo as well. And this is how to check views on Facebook featured photo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.